The 21st century is the era of the gig economy. The easiest gig is probably delivering goods from one point to another. Did you know that the on-demand delivery industry is $1 million industry? Throwing some light on statistics. The CAGR of revenue will be 13.68% by 2027. Platform-to-consumer model suits a lot of business domains, such as groceries, food delivery, milk, parcels, etc. So, what are the literary advantages of creating your own on-demand courier delivery app? Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. 7 reasons to build courier delivery app or pick-up and drop-off app. Normal and express deliveries have become a necessity for the following reasons. 1. A versatile business. Various on-demand service businesses can integrate this on-demand courier delivery service within their model. The on-demand delivery app is quite an easy-to-merge service. 2. Faster deliveries. The time gap should be the least between the demand and supply. Fast deliveries are an excellent way to help customers access the products as soon as possible. 3. Get customer feedback. If you have observed, you give feedback knowingly or unknowingly very frequently, for instance rating the restaurant and delivery personnel's service on DoorDash or Zomato, or rating your ride and driver on Uber. 4. Gives users the liberty to compare prices on different apps. Humans love to compare and choose the best alternative. The liberty of comparing the delivery cost on 2 different platforms allows the user to choose a more convenient option. 5. Reduce paper wastage. Storing the details of parcels, senders, and receivers becomes easy with the application. An added advantage is that you can lose paper bills but can quickly check out the digital receipt history. 6. Serve your users with the timely updates. The more customers receive updates, the more valued they feel. This can be very beneficial for your business because this way, customers are not troubled, and they needn't take updates now and then. 7. Multiple payment options. Everyone is comfortable with a different platform to make digital payments. So, ensure to integrate all the methods of payments. Also, online payments mean you can receive payment status in real time and track financial figures easily. So, how can Apurple help you with building your on-demand parcel delivery app? By joining hands with the Apurple developers, you can launch a perfect on-demand parcel delivery application. We follow this step-by-step process. 1. Help you draft your app idea and USP. 2. Choose a suitable business model. 3. Specify your business goals and requirements. 4. Identify the correct scope of features. 5. Design the easy user interface. 6. Develop app with latest tech stack. 7. Testing and quality analysis. 8. Deploying your app. For more information of how our courier delivery apps work, click on contact form link in the description box.